Make a great choice today with the 2014 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power lift gate, navigation system, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, fog lights. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.